Shark Liftaway NV352 is an upright vacuum that's very easy to maneuver, can easily clean hardwood floors as well as rugs and carpets. It's a good buy due to its light design, flexible swiveling head and the exceptional suction power. You can also lift the body of the vacuum from its floor base and make it functional as a canister vacuum. This of course is very easy to use with upholstery and cleaning your car. The never lose suction technology is very impressive. It really doesn't lose suction when transitioning from the surface to surface, hardwood to carpet for example, ensuring you get proper and optimal floor contact to provide cleaner floors. For reaching the spots difficult to reach, the swivel steering gives you options to maneuver. The pet hair brush included in the package works very well in that aspect, leaving your furniture pet hair free. At £12.5, the Shark NV352 is very light and is not bulky. The dust can is bagless. It can shelter a lot of dirt and dust. Emptying it is pretty easy too. Just hold it above the trash and press the button that opens up the lid. The canister mode is also pretty convenient, helping you clean hard-to-reach areas or while not giving your back any strain. Because it's top-heavy, there's a good chance that your vacuum cleaner will fall and spill the dust can. Although you have to be extra careful with this vacuum cleaner, it is a little fragile. Damage to the unit can be made through falls if attention is not being paid. Also, the vacuum tends to overheat when used for longer than 20 minutes, so it's advised to not use it for longer periods of time to prevent damage to the machine. The Shark NV352 is pretty versatile and provides great value for its price. It comes with interchangeable tools and an extension wand that can even reach up to the ceiling. Thanks to its motorized brush, the main cleaning head will do an amazing job on carpets, and it even has an on-off feature, making it rather convenient. A solid vacuum choice that does not disappoint.